Hey everybody, this is Gerald Austin. I'm the welding instructor down here at the Green Technology Center. I want to make this video just to welcome those of you that are going to be students this year. I'm really excited about it. I'm excited about first and second period classes, getting to meet some new folks. I'm excited about seeing some of y'all come back in the afternoon class. We've got a lot of things that we can do, but I want to go over some of the things that we're going to do and make sure you understand them just so you know what you're getting into. For those of you that are going to be beginners, one thing I wanted to throw out there is if you thought this was going to be a class where you just go to the shop and you don't have to do any book work, it's not the case. There is some book work. Small percentage, and I expect you to do it. If you don't do it, I'll still teach you how to weld some, but you probably won't end up with a very good grade. We're not going to build projects. You're not going to go out there and make stuff to bring home all the time. You're going to probably do the same weld over and over again many times. Not a big deal, and every once in a while we'll get to do something to kind of break up the monotony. But the main thing is getting out there and welding. You're going to have to do some homework possibly. Not a lot, but every once in a while we may not have time to go over in the classroom stuff that I want you to learn about. If you didn't expect to have homework, this may not be your thing, and I understand that. Okay, it's all right. We'll talk more about it the first few days of class, and you can make some decisions, change your schedule. If you're interested though in learning how to weld, learning about welding can help you, and I can help you do that. For those of you coming back in the afternoon, just a reminder, if you don't have your OSHA 10, you're going to have to spend your time working on your OSHA 10 for the first couple weeks. You'll stay here in the classroom. Those of you that have your OSHA 10, you're still going to have to do that Miller Open Book Safety Test again. Maybe go over a couple things, but we'll try to go to the shop as quickly as possible. I'm looking forward to working with all of you. I've looked through the names of the people that are on the roster so far, and I'm looking forward to seeing your faces come back through the door again. And of course, you folks that are new, I'm looking forward to seeing you too. But if you don't think welding is your thing, okay, if you just somehow ended up in this class, please talk to your counselor and get your class changed. If you didn't want to be here, I don't want you here. Okay? If you're an advanced student in the afternoon and you're just coming to hang out with me because of my good looks and charm, please change your class. You know how I feel about that. I'd love to get my numbers down to about 14 or 15. Be an ideal number for me to be able to spend some good time with the students here that are interested. So you won't hurt my feelings if you decide, I don't want to be in Mr. Austin's class this year. I understand. But if you want to learn how to weld, I want you here. I wouldn't mind having 25 students in the afternoon if everybody was dedicated to learning about welding. Unfortunately, you guys all know that have been in the class before, there's a few people that may just be here. If you're one of those just be here folks, find something else, please. Okay? Spend your time wisely while you're in school. The things you can learn. You guys can do anything that you want to in the world. You might as well start working on it while you're here in school. Find something you're interested in. Put your effort into that. Do good at it. And you'll be blessed like I've been with the ability to do something you enjoy doing for a living for your whole life. Peace out. Y'all have a good day. Looking forward to seeing every one of you though. Bye.